Adobe Photoshop just launched their new editing software, which is pretty screamy. Let me show you why. First, I'm on the Google and searching Adobe Firefly. Search this. We're here and meet Adobe Firefly. Now it's now in Photoshop. I'm clicking on the Explore Firefly, and now you can see several options. Oh, the page is still loading. I don't know why. Maybe it needs more higher internet speed. So text to image is their first tools here. Then generative fill, text effect. You can see they show an example of it. Generative recolor, 3D to image, extends to image. Okay, first we're going to testing the text to image. Okay, they also showed several examples here. So it's a text to image generator like Midjourney. You have heard about that. Midjourney was famous for it. Okay, cat. Everyone loves cat. One keyword cat. And I want that cat in cyberpunk mode. Cyberpunk. Realistic, maybe like this. Realistic. Green light. Green light. Okay. Now I'm just clicking on the generate. Oh, it's automatically set here a art style. Oh, look at the image. It's so detailed, man. Oh man, it's look even better than the Midjourney. If you ever use Midjourney, you will understood it's even better than the Midjourney. This looks better. Okay, so we have some content type here and some styles here, and there's some popular styles they have already suggested. Let's see. No content type. Whoa, look at that, man. Okay, let's see photo content type. Photo. Okay, let's see graphic. It looks pretty similar to the previous one. Anyway, let's change the style. So here you are digital art, styles, movements, themes, techniques, effects, materials, concept. And here are popular art, digital art, synth wave. Okay, let's see this digital art. No changes. No changes. Oh, these are the keywords. Clear styles right now. If we generate here, then it will work. Oh shit, man. Okay, let me download one. Like which one I like. This one likes more generative. Formatting transparency in AI. Okay, I just click continue. Let's see it is downloaded or not. Oh, great, it's downloaded. Whoa, man, look at the details. In a high resolution files. Oh, shit, man. As it feels like it's better than Midjourney, in my opinion. I don't know how about you. Okay, let's see other features. Other features like generative fill. Okay, in generative fill, try example. Okay, they are also showing here what's just happening here. Generative fill, alright. Let me download some photo like I'm going with free stock images. Okay, You see this person, I want to hide him. Let me download the images first. Upload. I'm selecting the downloaded image. Click and drag to selection. I didn't even use this before. Image is also some noisy. Is it loading or not? Oh, it's loading. I didn't type any keywords here. I just removed that man. Oh, how this could be, man. Okay. Let me remove this man's also. Hey man, you're fired. It's not working. Here is remove or save your edit. Let's see what can the AI do. What the heck, man? How this could be? The AI is just so powerful. In Photoshop, it will take up to more than 5 minutes to remove a man from the picture. More than 5 minutes. And in some cases, it takes more than 30 minutes, 10 minutes. But it just did its jobs in seconds. We can remove and add objects here in generative field. And let's see the text effect. Describe the text effect you want to generate. Okay. I'm just typing. That's T. Let's see. I'll just type it T here. And just see it. How's oh man. Firefly. Look at this. Did I just type it? No, I didn't type it. Oh, this one's for my text and this was for my keywords. I see. So I'm typing here. This one's Johnny. Let's see what can Johnny do. We can also see some example. Sample. We can see some sample prompts here. Oh man, that's great. And it's also in transparent piece. And we can also change the color. Oh, it's background. If you want, we can take the transparent. If you want, we can take the colorful background. And also we can change the font type. Text effect fit. Oh, it's the offset path here. Anyways, let me type my custom keywords here. I have to type jungle 3. And leaf green. Let's generate. Pretty awesome, man. Pretty awesome. Even you can download it with transparent layer. This is just unbelievable. Okay, let me try others. Generative recolor. Generate color variations of your vector art from a detailed text description. Okay, it can automatically select color from my vector art as I understood it from it. Okay. I don't have a vector art right now, so I'm trying a suggested one. They're given there. let's see. So here is the blue, purple, and green. So their color is they have colorized the color. So I'm going to type my own keyword here. I'm typing black, gray, white, dark blue, dark green, not light, dark green. Now let's generate and let's see the output. Oh, now it's combining the colors which I given the keywords here. So these are the vector arts, and they automatically combine the color and show you variants of here. Let's refresh and see what could it be changed. Let's refresh and see what happens next. Oh, now it comes up with the other variant one. Let's refresh one, another one. Oh, they have also here some suggested color. Oh, look at that. I like this. Anyways, let's see the other features. So 3D to image, that means if we enter here some 3D in exploration, extend images in exploration. So these versions are not available right now. So these 4 versions over here is totally unbelievable feature in it, and the AI is so much strong as I thought. Sorry, I didn't thought it. Anyway, so these are now free in Adobe Firefly, and it's in beta version right now. I don't think so it will be free in the future. It's of course because it's their business. It must not be free. So Photoshop editors are in heaven. Just kidding, man. So guys, this was for today. Maybe I will continue with my YouTube channel. Maybe.